Here's how to add music to game in Roblox Studio. First, open your game in Roblox Studio. Once the game is open, look on the right-hand side for the Explorer panel. If you don't see it, go to the top navigation and click Explorer to display it. Inside the Explorer panel, scroll down until you find Sound Service and select it. Click the plus icon next to Sound Service, then choose Sound from the list. After adding the sound object, look at the Properties panel on the right-hand side and find Sound ID. The Sound ID field will be empty because we haven't assigned any audio yet. To add music, we first need to find the ID of the audio we want to use. Open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. At the top of the page, click Create. From the navigation menu on the left, select Store. Then click Audio. Here, you can search through the available audio files and find a track that you want to use in your game. You can browse through different categories to find specific types of audio. Roblox also gives you the option to upload your own custom sounds if you want to use audio you've created yourself. Go to any category you like. Here, choose one of the available tracks. You can click the play button to preview any track before adding it to your game. Once you find a sound you want to use, click on it. Then select More Info. At the top of the page, you'll see a series of numbers in the URL. Select those numbers, right-click, and choose Copy. That number is the audio's ID. Now return to Roblox Studio. Then find the Sound ID field in the Properties panel. Paste the ID you copied into this field and press Enter. You can now test the audio by using the play button in the Properties panel. If you want the music to continuously repeat, scroll down through the sound properties and enable Looped. Also, make sure playing is enabled. Once everything is configured, click the play button at the top of Roblox Studio to start your game. The selected audio should now play as background music while your game is running. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.